Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to paint this close board fencing. As you can see, it's been exposed to the elements for some time now. It's not in the best of shape. This type of material really needs treating at least once a year. Of course, you could use a paintbrush or a roller. It would take me days. I'm going to do it within an hour using my WAGNER handheld paint sprayer. Now the first coat of treatment I applied on the fence is now dry. It's ready for its second coat. It may look a little bit patchy, just like this, but do not worry about it. That's quite expected on a fence this age that hasn't been treated for years. But once you've applied your second coat, it'll have a nice solid finish. Of course, it's weatherproof. I'd advise at least treating it once a year. Not only does it look great, but it will last longer. That's my fence now complete. 40 square meters of close board fencing. 2 hours ago, this fence looked unloved and it was certainly untreated. Now, 2 hours later, it looks brand new. If you're looking for some more hints and tips on painting or just film inspiration, why not follow us on social media?